This is the grill light from the Bastard. 20 centimeters tall, total length 25 centimeters. The lamp itself 8 centimeters, thickness 5 centimeters, maximum grip 4.5 centimeters. It's coming with a sealed 3 battery compartment with some rubber. 1, 2, 3. It got 3 buttons on with LEDs. This is a little bit brighter, and we've got ourselves a timer that can go up. If you want to get it back to 0, keep it pressed. The lighter will blink whenever it's finished. The weight of this device 479 grams with the batteries. At night, when you set the timer, look at all that light. It's really looking awesome. Set the timer. When the timer is up, it will blink, indicate you that your time is up. This was the grill light from Bastard, coming in at around €50.